All right, now let's talk about the third normal form. Here's the classic definition on Wikipedia. So our entity or table should be in the second normal form to start with, and all the attributes in the table are determined only by the candidate keys of that relation and not by any non-prime attributes. Jesus, that's a mouthful. Let me explain it using a simple example. Look at this invoices table. Here we have three columns: invoice total, payment total, and balance. Do you agree that we can calculate the balance by subtracting the payment total from the invoice total? So balance can be derived from these two columns. We say it's dependent on these two columns, which means if the value of these columns changes, the balance has to be recalculated, right? Now, what if we change one of these values but forget to update the balance? Our data will not be consistent. If we look at this record, we won't know what the actual balance is. Should we rely on the value in the balance column or subtract the payment total from the invoice total? We won't know. So the third normal form says that a column in the table should not be derived from other columns. So in this example, we should drop the balance column. We don't really need it. Here's another example. Look at this table. We have first name, last name, and full name. The full name column should not be here because it's violating the third normal form. We can always calculate it by combining the first and last names. So the third normal form, just like the other normal forms, helps us reduce duplication and increase data integrity.